Hi everyone, welcome to the course on Human Values and Professional Ethics, proudly offered by K. Ramakrishnan College of Technology, Anna University, Chennai. The course coordinated by experienced faculty members passionate about value-based education, and this course integrates ethical practices into technical and professional life. This course aims to help learners to develop a clear understanding of human values. It inculcates ethical behavior in personal and professional life. It builds the sensitivity towards societal and environmental well-being. It understands professional responsibilities and codes of ethics in engineering and other fields. Human values and professional ethics. It's a foundational course that combines philosophy, ethics, and real-world professional behavior. This course is structured into 8 modules, namely Introduction to Human Values, Importance of Value Education, Understanding Harmony in Life, Case Studies of Holistic Technologies, Introduction to Engineering Ethics, Code of Ethics, Employee Rights and Responsibilities, Moral and Ethical Issues. Moral and Ethical Issues. This combination of theoretical learning and case-based applications encourage reflective thinking and moral reasoning. About the prerequisite. There are no strict prerequisites to take this course. It's open to all undergraduate students, especially those in engineering and technology. The course runs over a duration of 8 weeks and it has a 3-credit course as per the guidelines, with a grading scheme which includes internal assessment, which consisting of assignments and quizzes, which is evaluated for 25%, and end semester examination is evaluated for 75%. It's aligned with National Credit Framework, and this course is categorized at the level of 6 depending on the learner's academic stage. About the learning outcome of the course, upon successful completion, the students will be able to understand and appreciate the need for values in personal and professional context. It makes ethically sound decision in complex situations. It demonstrates awareness of societal responsibilities and sustainability. It upholds professional integrity, honesty, and respect for diversity. In today's global work culture, industries highly value professionals who not only excel technically but also ethically. This human values and professional ethics course lays the foundation for compliance with industry codes of conduct. It incorporates social responsibility practices. It enhances the teamwork, leadership, and decision-making skills aligned with moral values. Industry leaders in IT, manufacturing, R&D, and startups increasingly seek professionals and trained in human values and ethics. Whether you are an aspiring engineer, entrepreneur, or a professional, this course is your first step towards becoming not just a skilled worker but a responsible global citizen. Enroll now in Human Values and Professional Ethics, where knowledge meets conscience. Thank you.